Page 87, Song of Joy, or just a piece of the whole thing. But it's an example of two-part choral writing here. It's not piano music, it's choral music. This is for what? Sopranos and tenors? Okay. And the idea is you need to probably play the notes basically where they're going to sing them if you can. Tenors read treble clef, even though they're down here. They still read treble clef. Bassists might read bass clef. Okay. But the soprano part is simple enough. I mean, look this over. It's in cut time with no sharps or flats. So when I was first working on a piece in cut time, I always put it in 4/4 time in my head first. And then once I have the rhythm and everything worked out and I'm ready to take it up to speed and feel it, I'll put it in cut time. So I'm going to talk about this as though it's in 4/4 time for now. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. And as far as your fingering goes, it's up to you. You're not moving around. You can be here or you can be here. Whichever. Wherever you want to go. But you want to be able to play it, hopefully, without looking at the keyboard. It's the tenor part we got to deal with. The tenors are not going to sing these notes up here. I mean, tenors can sing those pitches, but the music isn't written there. We're an octave lower than that. That C tenor, you got to go down an octave. They're down here. They're a little lower because normally you'll see in the tenor part, you'll see the notes way higher in the staff, and that would be in here. Tenors can go, in theory, up to about a high C, somewhere in that range. I sang tenor in college and so forth, but I always struggled when up to about a high G was the best I could do. In most cases, and sound different. You get into falsetto and all that junk. But what I'm saying here in the tenor part, come down here and play these here. This is where they're going to sing it, almost like baritone. But it says tenor. And then you put them together. Well, now you're down here, you're transposing the bottom staff. See, the left hand is mostly here except the 6th major we have an A. You got to come up a little bit. So in the 5th major, just come up 4th finger. And then 3. So I can play it all pretty much without looking at the keyboard, so I can focus more on what the singers are doing. But that's basically what it's going to sound like. Then as far as the cut time is, you put that in majestically in 2. Left, right, left, right. Something to that. I'm sure you can look this up and find recordings of it, more or less. They're giving dynamics for each staff because it could be a duet or whatever. It's, each part has to have its own dynamics. So generally they will do that with choral music. Here it's like a duet. So both parts are important. It's a counter melody. Melody, counter melody. That's how I think I would do this.